In this video, I will show you how to check posts you like on Instagram. So on Instagram, you will be able to see various contents such as videos, reels, or pictures like this one. So to like it, you just have to tap on this heart icon right here. Now to check the post you like on Instagram, you just have to tap on the profile icon right here and then click the three lines on the upper corner. Now under archive, you will be able to see your activity. You just have to tap on this one and you will be able to see all the interactions you've made on this account. Now you just have to tap likes and you will be able to see all the contents you've liked on your account. You can sort it to newest to oldest by tapping this one or oldest to newest. You can filter it to whatever date you want by tapping this one. And you can filter it to what content type by tapping the all content type and then hitting apply.